Rather than using plastic fittings, which easily break and become damaged, we've designed our own metal fittings. They're made out of 25mm diameter steel tube, and what we've done is we've put the swage on the actual fitting itself. That enables you to shorten the length of your fruit cage or narrow the length of your fruit cage if it's required. As you can see, it's the fitting that actually slots inside the tube, both on the uprights and also on the horizontals. So if you want your fruit cage to be a little bit lower, you can cut the tube down. If you want it to be narrower, or if you want it to be shorter, you can just chop the tube to the desired length, and you can make the fruit cage specifically to fit the area you want it to. As you can see with the doors, there is a bit of movement, and that's what the locking collars are for. The idea is that once you set the height of your door and you position it where you want it to be, you just simply tighten the bolt on the collar, and then your door won't drop down any further. And you do that with both the top and the bottom door hinges. The netting we use for the sides is a rigid extruded mesh. That means that when the net's in position and placed around the fruit cage, that it isn't going to sag and droop. It will stay nice and rigid and taut. The netting, however, that we use for the top is a flexible netting, which means that if you have got fruit trees inside the fruit cage that are going to grow up to the roof, they'll just gently push against it. But it also gives you the chance to sort of get the netting on and pull it nice and taut around the structure and cable tie it into place.